Thanks for returning to see this follow-up video on webcams. Tried actually adding 2 more cameras, Cheese and Webcamoid. Webcamoid does not actually run, so currently Wxcam, Kamoso, Kamerka, and Cheese work. I think I'm going to use Wxcam right now as my default web camera software. You can see them have a little bit of fun filming my dog here, and yeah, that's it. Pretty easy to install. Did everything through YaST. Didn't do it command line. So the reason that my failed to work the first time was because my webcam was dying. I guess when you run a 10-year-old Cisco Tandberg video camera, yeah, don't expect it to last forever. So I went out and I bought just a Logi webcam, nothing fancy, but it works. That is the main reason that my web camera failed, or the applications failed, that is. So it's all up and running.